Are your wiper blades in need of replacement? Well, stick with me. I'm gonna show you how to replace them in 3 easy steps. So hit that subscribe button and let's get straight to the point. Step 1, we're going to remove our wiper blade. Most wiper blades will have a small tab here that we need to push. So we're gonna push that tab and pull our blade down, and it will come right off of the wiper arm. Now, quick tip, don't leave your wiper arms up like this, because if they happen to fall, they will crack your windshield, okay? So lay them lightly down while you're putting your new one on. Step 2, we are going to take our new wiper blade. We are going to slide it onto the wiper arm, and we're listening for a snap. Step 3, if I helped you out, make sure you like the video, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you're working on today. As always, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.